Welcome to Ngobo 1010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for always supporting the channel. My name is Thulani Ngobo, also known as Ngobo 2010. With me here, I'm with Calvin. He'll also introduce himself again. If you can remember, a few weeks ago, I was with him here at his home in Atteridgeville. He was asking for a wheelchair, motorized wheelchair. And yeah, today I'm with him. Mkhotsi, how's it?
I'm fine, Mkhotsi.
Umonate?
Yeah, ke sharp Mkhotsi.
Ke gopola o dumedise babohedi go gae.
Ke le dumedisa bo botle ke nna Calvin Maginta.
Yeah. So Mkhotsi o ile a gopela wheelchair and today ke tlile ke tlo go tlisetsa wheelchair emsa. Gopela re o botse babohedi go gae gore how do you feel about wheelchair emsa you grilling?
Ke tabela and ke tabela le batho ba banthusang bo botle.
Yeah.
O tswana le bongwabo ke le ba le di supportera le di fan.
Yeah.
Bo botle ke ba le bogela and then ke le bogale ba banthusitseng ba o tswana le bongwabo.
Yeah.
Le ba bereke ba ke re modimo ba o keletse matšatši a bophelo.
Yeah, Mkhotsi o itse a ka o bolelela gore ke mang o thusitseng, so ke nya gore go botse mo pela camera gore ke mang o thusitseng ne ile surprise fela. So nako e re le mo ke tlohile ka posta video ya hao, then ka ba postela yona ba e bona. So tsatsi le leng ka kopana le ntate Motsepe Tlhopi Motsepe o metsi chairman ya Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah, so ke boletse le ena ka mo khopela ka re okay go na le chomi ya ka solo so e nyaka wheelchair. So wheelchair Mkhotsi o reketse ke Mamelodi Sundowns, o reketse ke Tlhopi Motsepe.
Okay.
Yeah, so o ikutla bang ka taba eo?
Ke le mogela Mkhotsang ke re Tlhopi Motsepe modimo mo keletse matšatši a bophelo le Mamelodi Sundowns modimo ba šireletse ka metla le mabaka.
Yeah.
Le ditlapa tsotlhe modimo di šireletse le di khujara tsotlhe le ditlapa tsa kontle. Ka ba la bogela ka moka ditimi tsotlhe tsa mo South Africa. Ke re modimo ba ne le tsona.
Number one, go bona ntse o reila Mkhotsi ya go pele go morago o feel bang ka yona?
Ke feel sharp ka yona.
Yeah.
Ke tlo ithuta yona.
Ne? Yeah, ke bona betha di reverse mo la ya go pele go morago o pressa fela Mkhotsi. Yeah. No, manzo a hao ko Sundowns le ntate Tlhopi Motsepe ka mafeng.
Ke rata re Tlhopi Motsepe modimo mo keletse matšatši a bophelo le family ya hae ka bane ka di 12 ba birthday ya a tshwara 36
or 36.
Yeah, ba birthday ya ke re a jele tšatši la ya monate modimo mo keletse le family ya gae le papa gae Patrice Motsepe le di family tsa bona di supportera tsotlhe le ma Sundowns ba ska latlhana ba rapedišane ka metla le mabaka le di team tsotlhe di rapele ka metla le mabaka. Modimo ko moane modimo a palle ke selo re mo gopela selo le badimo ba palle ke selo tshwanetse re rapele ka metla le mabaka rataneng le re favor ditlapa a ra tshwanna o tlhoyana tshwanetse re ratane ka gobane batho ba le ba batlalang bolo ba ratana ba fetsa o dlala ba gruba bo botlhe rena ra kwatelana wa tshwana re selya nako tshwanetse re no ratana bo botlhe. Danki ke a leboga.
Danke Mkhotsi. Mamelodi Sundowns e go USA right now yo dlala go FIFA Club World Cup. Message for bafana ba gago o ka ba botsa gore?
Nka ba botsa gore ba tsamaye pila ba dlale bo botlhe ba ratane ba ska jela setsana ba boele se ba boang le sona ore South Africa e kgone ba emela in the world South Africa
Club World Cup
ba emele bona le ditlapa tsotlhe tse bo Chiefs bo Pirates ba emele Sundowns modimo a tsamaye le bona a ba šireletse ka metla le mabaka o ba o fitlhelela ba boa ba dlala PSL next year.
No, Ralebo Mkhotsi, I've heard him. Calvin is very, very happy. He was test driving it.
Yeah, Bafeti, as you can see, Kelvin was already enjoying his new ride. I had to take him for a ride, at least a kilometer away from his home. And yeah, I could see what he was enjoying, and at least even though he started by struggling there and there, but since he's using one hand, he managed to, to maneuver, and then I push. So I'm very, very happy. You can see my stop sign, we are check, observe, and all that. So yeah, at least aga Katali, and it's no longer the same as it was before. Previously, as I said, he was using the old one, which was manual, using one hand. So yeah, I then caught up with his family, and this is what they said.
Rena ba ha Makinda ra leboha Motsepe's family le team ya Sundowns ka matsapa ya tsereng ho tsela a buta rena re ba sa fetsa ka yena ba tswele pele ba irele ka ba bang ra leboha Sundowns for matsapa la tsereng for buta rena.
Thank you very much.
And then kwena ma
Daniel.
Ke Daniel Lempo.
Thank you so much. Yeah, but I want to take this opportunity and thank Mamelodi Sundowns, particularly the chairman Topi Motsepe, for responding to the call. When I asked him, to help us, he didn't hesitate, and then he managed, to buy us a motorized wheelchair. So yeah, thank you so much, and to everyone who have been sending us messages, wishing us well. Today, he's got the wheelchair, motorized wheelchair. Yeah, I'm just happy, for him, and thank you so much to everyone who have been supporting us. Yeah. Mr. Motsepe, my brother, thank you so much. You are the best, and yeah, I so wish everyone can be like you. And again, happy belated birthday, as my friend Calvin has said. Ohole, my brother. Thank you so much for everything that you have done for us. Yeah, my brother. Yeah. So thanks, Mkhosi. Driver ko ya hao obe monate. Enjoy it. To Mamelodi Sundowns, all the best in the club, FIFA Club World Cup in USA. We wish you all the best. Please make sure that you go there and represent Africa, represent South Africa. We love you all. Eitada. Hola. Kabuyelo.
Sure.
Eitada.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngoba2010sharpeye.com.